Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily send photos or videos from one iPhone to another. So how we can do it? So for fixing it, you just need to use AirDrop. So I will show to you an example of one photo. So we just open our gallery. Here you can see photo I choose for sending and just press here. So after you just need to make your another iPhone active. So here you can see that it appear our iPhone, so just choose it. And here you can see would like to share a photo. So we just need to unlock our iPhone and just accept sending it, and it will successfully send this photo. Also you can choose from here more than one photo, so you can also select 5 or 10 photos and just choose again for whom you want to send it, and it will successfully send. So you just need to accept on this phone and you will receive your photos on another iPhone. So this is the way how we can do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.